Hey, hello everyone. My name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing how to use Regex in the Power Apps by using IsMatch, Match, and MatchAll functions. Okay. In this video, we see the examples of validating email, mobile number, only text input fields, floating points on, and lots more examples we will see. Okay. Regex is also called as regular expressions. Okay. So let's go in the Power Apps without wasting time. Okay. So I'm in the Power Apps. Okay. So I already created some of the examples for you to save your time. Okay. So we will see all of them one by one. Okay. So I have the one trick for the email validation here. Okay. You no need to use the regex expression. Okay. If I go and showcase you, let's I type something here. Okay. Let's I type my email ID. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can be ask me here. Okay. J Ravindra 553 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, so if you see, I just type, okay, I not exit the text box as well, but I get a green border as well as the result true. Okay, so how to achieve this? So to achieve this, okay, we have this text input color. Okay, so first let's I see how you can be identified is true or not. Okay, so we have the isMatch function. It will check, okay, the it is matching with the standard format or not. Okay, so I just concatenate a string here. Okay, is match text input one dot value. Okay, and by using match function, okay, we have the predefined some of the things. Okay, like email, floating point number, dash. Okay, so those you can be used there. Okay, how you can be know, just select this. Okay, whenever you do dot, so here you will get all the options, any comma, digit, email, hyphen, anything you can be check here. Okay, this much options you have. Okay, so from here you can be choose the email. Okay, and you will get a value or true or false. Okay, so on the basis of this condition, you can be go to the text input border color property. Okay, where is border color here, and here you can be use the like this, if is blank. Okay, text input color. Okay, then color should be transparent. Okay, and if it is matching with this value, then color should be green. If it is not matching, then color should be red. Okay, so this condition you can be used simply to check the things. Okay, so for this we also have the Microsoft documentation. Okay, if you have any doubt, anything, okay, you can follow this as well. Okay, so here all the things mentioned. Okay, and this types any match, okay, are also mentioned. I also writing a blog for your reference. Okay, here you will see all the codes and information here. Okay, you can be take it from here for more thing. Okay, let's come to the power apps. Okay, and let's see the some more validations here. Okay, text validation. So I want to check in this text input. Okay, if anyone enter the text only, then its condition should be true. Okay, so let's say input here some number. Okay, so you can be see it is a false. Okay, so if I use the text only, okay, it is giving me the true result. So how to achieve this? Okay, so for that purpose, if you see in the text input, I use a regex expression. In the double quotes, you can simply use the regex expression that you need. For that purpose, you can be used take the help of ChatGPT as well. Here you can be see for email validation, this is the input. Okay, for phone number, for only digits, only letters. Okay, so these formats are already available on internet. You can use these, you can take the help of GPT in nowadays, and you can save your time as well. Okay, so now we have the some of the other things. Okay, let's see the match function. Okay, so what basically match function does? Okay, as per the documentation, match function checks the values. Okay, how much percent it is matching or not, okay, in simple words. So let's see how it gives the output, okay. So I use here the same example, okay, matching of the text, okay. So I pass here text here, okay, as well as the numbers, okay, and as well as the three letters we are passing the string, okay. Let's I click on the test, okay, and let's I go to the test one here, okay, and where match, let's see this record, okay. Not find, I guess I not press this, okay. Let I press this one more time, two times I press now. Let's I cross this and let's check what values we are getting, okay. So we are doing something wrong, okay, I guess. Now let's do this one more time. So in the match, okay, you can be see we are getting full match, okay. It is this one start match, you will get the value 1, okay, and the sub matches you will get here, okay. And if we use some number, okay, so it will let's check what value we are getting, okay. So means if your match is not correct, okay, then you will go not get the proper answer, okay. So if you enter the number, okay, in this regex expression you will not get any output here, okay. So I use the numbers only, and this is a full match, okay. Start match is 1 and sub matches are this one, okay. Same with the our match all as well, okay. Same formula, same things, okay. You can be used for the match all as well, okay. So here you can be see the same one, same example we are taking, okay. Same output you will get here as well, okay. Let's check the button what output we are getting. The same full match, start match, and sub matches, okay. For more information you can be go to this web power faq website, okay. And also you can visit to my blog that I just writing, okay. Here you will get more information in detail, okay. If you have any doubt anything you can be asked me in the comment box, okay friends. Thank you. Keep learning, keep growing.